In September 2021, I made a major change in my life, and that was to post my very first video ever to social media, which was TikTok. And I was absolutely terrified because I was very aware of what other people were going to think of me, what my friends and family were going to think. I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know how to make good videos. I didn't know how to speak to a camera.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my 3 best tips for maximum productivity.
I wasn't speaking to a camera, it was just text on a screen, and I really didn't know what to expect from it. But I really wanted to help people improve their lives through healthy habits and building a little bit of discipline that I hadn't really gone through anything, I hadn't done anything with my life yet, but I really wanted to help people, and I knew that I was into self-improvement and building healthy habits, going to the gym a little bit here and there. I was going for runs at the time, and I just really wanted to help people. So when I posted that video, I ended up continuing it for a fair while. I posted every single day, sometimes multiple times a day. I was trying to help people become the best version of themselves by giving them workout plans and diet plans, morning and afternoon routines, all of that kind of stuff, by just typing text on a screen with a video of me doing push-ups in the background. That was what I was doing. And the reason I wasn't talking to a camera like I am right now was because I was so terrified of what other people were going to think of me if they found my account. The very first account I created wasn't even my real name, and then I changed it later on because I found out it was better to have a name and stuff like that. But I didn't want people to find my account, so I was just posting faceless videos with text on screen. I'll chuck a couple of examples up, but I was really terrified of what other people were going to think of me if they found my account. But fast forward a couple months and the account had gained some traction. I was up to like 10 or 20,000 followers, and some of my mates have found out, not a big deal. And to my surprise, they actually supported me. Like, they were like, oh, this is amazing. How good is this? And I was absolutely over the moon because they reacted positively. Obviously, you get some hate on the videos and people commenting, but over time, you learn to deal with it. You learn to just suck it up. And like every other person in the entire world, you're going to receive hate no matter what you do, so you may as well do it for something that you enjoy doing. So anyway, I continued to grow the account, and April 2022, I posted my first video to Instagram, which I had a couple of my friends following, and I was even more scared because I had more people who didn't know about my TikTok account. I was posting to Instagram, and I still didn't really know what I was doing. Like, I had more people who I knew were going to watch my content because once I posted it, I knew they would see it, and I really didn't know what I was doing. I started talking to the camera a little bit, and I was terrified of that because that was a new thing for me again. I pretty much just continued to post because it was really what I wanted to do. It's what I want to do now. It's what I want to do in the future, create content and help other people become the best versions of themselves. And if I was going to achieve that goal, I knew that I had to overcome that fear. So I just kept doing it because of that passion of mine to help other people. And so if you're going to take anything from this video today, it's that if you want to get somewhere and you have a goal in your mind, you're going to have to do things that are uncomfortable. You're going to have to push yourself to do more than you wanted to push yourself outside your comfort zone and explore what it's actually going to take to get to where you want to be. And now my TikTok account has like 350,000 followers. I did stop posting on there for a while because I just lost touch of what I was actually trying to do because of my transition into talking to the camera and content like that. I'm still learning and growing as I go. I haven't really made that much content, but in the future, I'm going to try and help as many people as I can become the best version of themselves by building healthy habits, improving themselves through the gym, healthy habits, building discipline, consistency, all of that kind of stuff. I want to try and help as many people as I can. And that all comes from getting over your fear of what other people think of you and just putting your first foot forward. So if you have a goal out there, bro, if you want to try and achieve something, just go for it, and don't think about what other people are going to hate on you or judge you for, because it might not even happen. It probably will along the line, but you'll learn to deal with that as you go along. And I promise you, it's not going to be as bad as you think once you just get the ball started. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.